Chào cả nhà, hey guys, I am Nina Tran Lee. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. So if you have the same interest, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And today we are making baked sea bass rolls, a Vietnamese style roll where the baked fish and an assortment of greens are rolled in the rice paper and enjoy it with the flavorful tamarind dipping sauce. My family can never get tired of eating rolls, especially in the summertime with all the available greens and herbs. Anyhow, let's get started. This is a 20-inch sea bass. I asked Mr. Pham to help me with the fish this morning, and he used only a fork and a pair of kitchen shears to get the job done. Let's check out these short clips to see how Mr. Pham did it. Is that a better scissor?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Hai con.
You have eggs, Daddy?
Rồi chứ.
Wow, look at the eggs. Ooh. Awesome. After Mr. Pham did the scaling and the dissecting, I rinsed the fish clean and used paper towels to dry the fish. After that, I gave the fish a butterfly cut using a chef knife and a pair of kitchen shears. First, I used the scissors to cut through the bones. Then I used a chef knife to make the butterfly cut along the main bones. To save time, I always have a jar of Vietnamese sweet and sour dipping sauce available in my fridge. You can click on the YouTube icon or the link in the description box for my Vietnamese sweet and sour dipping sauce recipe. To make the tamarind dipping sauce, we will need 1 cup of Vietnamese sweet and sour dipping sauce and 1/4 cup of tamarind paste. Give the mixture a good stir before tasting it, and then adjust the flavor to your taste. Isn't that awesome? Are we done?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Farm often used the torch to brown the fish skin to golden and crispy, or we can continue to broil the fish a little longer to get the skin to the golden level that we like. Food always look amazing with the finishing touch, so we will garnish it with some fried crispy salad, fried crispy garlic, and scallion oil. You can click on the YouTube icon or the link in the description box for my fried crispy salad recipe. My family loves fried crispy salad and garlic, so I'm going to add even more of this goodness. It's eating time! First, we will wet the rice paper with just enough water to make it wet and not soaking wet. Next, we will add greens, herbs, Asian chive, and a few slices of Fuji apple. My family loves eating rolls because of all these greens, and they help cooling down the summer heat. After that, we will add the baked fish and start rolling. The rice paper is now flexible enough for us to roll whichever way we like. I like to roll mine with one opening end, and we'll dip that opening end into the tamarind dipping sauce. Okay, let's eat it. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Baked fish and tamarind dipping sauce, just amazing, so good. Wow. I hope you enjoyed my video how to make baked sea bass rolls. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. I would also like to give a shout out to everyone kind comments on my videos. They are very precious and make me smile after reading them. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.